Well, we had the 10428 out earlier today, and we did this. Come on, focus for me. Yeah, strip that real good. So now we're going to replace it. Luckily, I've learned that with these things, your best bet is to have more than one part at a time. So I have this that I picked up a while ago from I think AliExpress or Banggood, one of the two. And you can probably hear the dog upstairs. Where's my knife? I got one in my pocket. That'll work.
There's like 4 knives down here, but.
Okay, let's see. So this new one. Focus. There we go. There we go. Brand new. Brand spanking new. I'm gonna throw this bad boy on and. Hope it works out. We were doing some test runs on our outdoor track that I had made, and we're having a good time. But kablooey, and now we need let's come over here. So now the pinion's on. This is really a simple thing. It takes more time to get the screws off, to get the body off, than it does to do anything else, really. So.
And you can probably see all of the metal that.
Yeah, you can definitely see all the shavings in there from that piece. It's definitely, I mean, if it was gold, man, I'd be very happy because I'd have all the gold shavings. But we all know it's not. We got some cottonwoods blooming and dropping their stuff, so it looks like it's snowing, and all that's getting caught up in the wheels and blah blah blah. But so again, this is the Spectrum servo for the shifting. We've got the Savox for the front. We have the Hobbywing 1080 ESC with the Dumbo RC receiver, and the transmitter is right there. My faithful assistant is right there, and that's about what we've got. Quick, short, and sweet. Swapping out a pinion gear, and hopefully we'll be good to go. Fully back together, and it is now. Everything's working. Good to go. So, take a look over here. For those that haven't seen the insides going, that's just a little overview. I'm not sure if it was a little help with the 3S that did it or what, but oh well. It's the first time I've actually ruined one of them on this vehicle. But luckily I had it on hand, so thanks again and enjoy.